Always end the night with a positive thought. No matter how hard the day may have been, there is always a reason to be grateful. Let tomorrow be a fresh start. Holding the hand of someone you love is proven to relieve stress and reduce pain. Some people could be given an entire field of roses and only see the thorns in it. Others could be given a single weed and only see the wildflower in it. Perception is a key component to gratitude, and gratitude is a key component to joy. It may seem like arguing with your partner may signal the end of a relationship, but it actually often helps couples bond better. Staying quiet doesn't mean you've nothing to say. It means you don't think they're ready to hear your thoughts. Psychology says you're not afraid to love, you're afraid of not being loved back. When a girl says what, it's not because she didn't hear you, she is just giving you a chance to change what you said. When a girl talks to you about her problems, that doesn't mean she's complaining, it just means she really trusts you. We automatically lift up our arms and chin slightly when success has been achieved, even the blind. Don't let your ears hear what your eyes didn't see, and don't let your mouth say what your heart doesn't feel. The more loyal you are, the more disappointment you encounter and experience. Boredom causes the mind to overthink. People tend to be happier when they are kept busy. Psychology says someone who becomes angry easily over silly things often subconsciously desires to be loved. Consistency is harder when no one is clapping for you. You must clap for yourself during those times. You should always be your biggest fan. Apologizing is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign that you're willing to grow from mistakes. It's a sign that you're more interested in repairing the relationship instead of maintaining your own ego. People are more honest when physically tired. This is why most people confess things during late-night conversations. When humans feel like they don't have enough resources, like love, money, time, and food, they are less likely to make wise decisions. A good friend isn't necessarily the one who immediately understands. It's the one who cares enough to keep trying to understand. When someone loses their love for you, they will first change their attitude and then change their tone. Smell is far more important than appearance for women. Some people develop an unconscious habit of transforming almost all their vulnerable feelings into anger so they can avoid having to deal with them. MRI testing has shown that a canine brain reacts similarly to sounds of joy and pain in much the same way as a human, meaning that dogs are able to understand the differences in human vocal intonations and the meanings behind them. Your emotions can also affect your physical body. Jealousy has been known to cause stomach aches, and stress can cause headaches. Announcing your goals makes you less likely to achieve them. Romantic, work, power, friends, and family jealousy types are all considered normal jealousy, although they may seem intrusive. For the most part, they are absolutely normal in emotion. Falling in love at first sight is apparently true according to psychologists. It takes only 2 to 4 minutes to fall for someone or to make a good impression on someone. People are social beings who learn better together. Being a perfectionist can result in stress and depression. According to research, how teenagers listen to their parents nitpicking certain key areas Their brains shut down to avoid hearing criticism and throws a wrench in their ability to process what you're telling them to avoid situation. There is no evidence supporting that females are superior in mind reading. However, there is a motivation gap between the genders. Ladies are more curious about another person's thoughts and feelings.